So this is M1, M2, acceleration, gravity, tension. So for M1, the gravitational force is not very strong because M1 is lighter than M2, and therefore the tension is going to have to be greater. Okay, so that's why the acceleration will be upwards. For M2, the gravitational force is greater because M2 is heavier, and the tension therefore is going to have to not be as big. Okay, it's going to be smaller. So these two are not supposed to be equal. Okay, and because of that, acceleration is downwards. Now, because this acceleration is downwards, gravity is actually in the positive y direction, and tension, the pull of the rope, is actually in the negative y direction. Now here, acceleration is up, gravity is negative, the pull of the rope is in the positive y direction. So that's why for M1, that's why it's T minus M1G, and for M2, M2G minus T, that's why. Okay, because tension is negative y direction, not the opposite. Okay, so I got rid of tension because I'm trying to solve for acceleration, and the two tensions and accelerations are going to be equal to each other. So I got rid of the tension, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and I moved everything over to the other side, and this is what I get. So here's the math. Okay. So it's 2.31 meters per second squared for accelerations, and that's both accelerations. Okay, now for tension, what I did was I just took this equation, I factored out the G, and I really kept everything the same. The only thing I did was multiplied by 2 on top, and this is what it looks like. I multiplied by 2 because there's two tension forces. So that's how, this is the math. That's how it would look. 315 newtons is the tension in both ropes.